guys, I want to make a quick video about this. I had to make my own gauge tester. I've got the old 72 Dodge Coronet, and I'm trying to test the fuel gauge, the sending unit, make sure all that stuff works. But this gauge tester will work for your temperature gauge, any type of gauge that really needs resistance to give an accurate read. On these older cars, 10 ohms would be full, half is 23, empty is 74, plus or minus 12 ohms on that one. About 23 there, and full is plus or minus 1 ohm. So you can get it pretty close and you'll be able to tell whether this thing is working or not. Basically, wired a potentiometer inside there. You can get these on eBay, the whole little collection. On Amazon. You can get them on eBay too, but I got this one from Amazon. Show you how it's wired up here. Negative, middle switch for your actual turn, what's called the wiper, and the positive jumper wire connected to those two, and that's about all the wiring that actually is done to it. Had to 3D print a little box, ran the wires out the back here. I made the wires long enough to where I could reach it to a car. Under the dash, you could just have it sitting in your lap or sitting on the dash. You can read other things with it too. That's why I went ahead and marked the high, medium, and low settings. Because if you read those manuals, it tells you, you adjust it to high, medium, or low, and it's going to give you the different readings to tell you whether your gauges are working or not. I got it hooked up to the voltmeter. So I can see that there. That's 10 ohms supposed to be. When this one on Amazon, it's a little bit off. This little gauge here is a little off, and actually this is a 0 to 100 ohms. And you see I put it on 100 ohms there, and it's reading 109. So I'm sure there are some better quality ones out there that give you a more accurate reading. I mean, there's 50 ohms there. That's 55. So you have to kind of play around with it. It's pretty finicky. It's very, very sensitive. So 50 on this guy is really more about 45. I'm sure there are some higher quality, higher priced ones out there, but just for trying to save money, these testers, the professional, really built ones, are $277 or better. I mean, at least $200 or better. But if you get a 3D printer and you got a little bit of patience and skill, soldering iron, and a voltmeter, some wires, you can hook all this stuff up and do it yourself. I printed those little labels with the little Dymo printer, label maker. That's just about it. I'm gonna make another video on actually how this thing works as it's working, to show you what you're supposed to be looking for as you're reading these things. But that's it. Two screws hold it together, and I'm gonna put some little alligator clips on here. I'm waiting for my other shipment to arrive so I can clip it on there and make it all nice and whatnot. But altogether, I think these were like $8 or so, maybe $13. The box, it's the price of your 3D filament and your time, your design time or whatever. I got the box from Thingiverse. I just modified it and put a little hole in there, a 10mm hole for the switch potentiometer to go in. All in all, it's pretty simple to do. If this video helped you out, Leave a comment below if you got any questions. Thanks for watching.